All right. Okay. Hello, guys. Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you could be able to apply for refund for to get back your money when you're buying from the Chinese platform. For example, in this case, we'll be using 1688. Okay. My name is Chijoke Stanley. So if this is your first time you're coming across our channel, please kindly subscribe, hit the like button so you could get content like this, more informative content like this one. So before we go straight to the video, I would like to let us know the kinds of refund we have. Okay, we have the refund before sales and we have the refund after sales. Okay, so now the refund before sales is the refund you can make when you place order for goods and your goods was not shipped out by the supplier. You can apply for refund and you get your money back within 24 hours. But in the case of refund after sales, is when you place order, supplier shipped out your goods and you received it but you had incomplete goods, so you can apply for refund after sales. Okay, so for this case we don't have a specific time to receive your refund. You just have to chat up your suppliers if you have placed if you have asked for refund. You just have to tell them, to inform them that you've applied for refund, so they will be aware and they can go through and to go through it and make you get the refund on time. Okay, so now let's go straight to the video so I can explain to you. So this is my 1688 homepage, but though it's not translating, I'll click on this section here. So once you click on there, most of us will be asking and wondering why the page is not translated. You can try it from your end, it will be translated, but I have my high dictionary here where I can translate anything I want to. So just to drag and drop, I'll get translated. Okay, oh sorry, that's not what I want to translate. This is it, this down here. Whichever way, this is it. Just click on this icon here, it takes us to the main dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Okay, let's wait for it to load. This is our dashboard. This is how the dashboard is. If you don't know how to create your 1688 account, you can check in our previous videos so you can learn how to translate these pages. Okay, so right in front of me here, these are let me try and translate it. So so this first section here is pending payment. In the case where you try placing an order and you did not proceed with the payment, this is where it appears. Okay, it indicates if it is 1, you have not paid. It shows if it is 2. But in the case where you've made the payment, it moves to this next section, which is the to be delivered. So to be delivered section, the suppliers or the manufacturers of those goods or those items are yet to ship your orders out. Okay, they are yet to ship your orders out. So but in the case where they have seen your order and they shipped it out, it's going to move to this section, which is pending receipts. So in this section, when it gets to the shipping agent warehouse, it takes weeks before it leaves this section to the next section. So the supplier would indicate that they have received it and the rest of it. Okay, I will explain that in further videos. So this section is the comments section, and the next one is the refund / after sales section. So now for us to apply for the refund before the first refund, which is the refund we make and supplier did not ship out our goods, we just come to this place, this section here, which is to be delivered. We click on to be delivered. Okay, let me click on it. So I received a message from the supplier that they're out of stock, so I just have to apply for refund, so I'll be able to send the customer back his or her money. So in this case here, this is a refund before sales. Okay, I'll come here, sorry, this is what I want to do. Come again, back, click on refund, request for refund. Okay, then I'll just click on it straight, request for refund for this particular item, this one in front of you, this magnetic refrigerator sticker. So I'll request for refund, wait for it to load. So in this case you just have to tick on everything because you know, we're requesting for refunds for everything. We did not buy anything here, so we'll just click on this symbol, this sign here, to tick everything. So tick on it, then we'll, okay, this page is not translating. Let's see if we can translate it. Well, if it's not translated, let's proceed. Click in, but in your own case you can still translate it. Click on it again. This is where you click on this orange section here, the one below here, this last section. That's the section you're going to click on. Okay, so let's click, takes us to the next page. Okay, so on this section, okay, we can translate this. Okay, it's good. So the refund amount is 41.73 yuan and the shipping rate is 15. The reason for refund, we'll just indicate here, I don't want to buy. Click on show. Sorry. Then you kindly leave a message for the supplier, please kindly refund. That's okay. Well, in this case we don't have to upload the picture, okay, for the refund before sale, but in the case of refund after sale we need to put a picture there. Okay, all right, so like I said, we don't need to put picture, we don't need to upload pictures in this case, okay, because this is refund before sales. Okay, we'll just click on submit and click on submit. Okay, we click on submit a refund request. Okay, so let's click on it, show. Okay, submitted successfully. Okay, we've applied for refund before sales. Okay, all right, so after applying for the refund before sale, if you look here, it's gonna move to this section, to this refund section. You see it has moved, one has moved to that section, which means we've applied for the refund. So we'll wait for the supplier to attend to that request. Back. So the next thing we're going to be doing in this section here is to apply for refund after sale. Just like I've explained before, we applied for refund after sale when you must have received your goods and you have incomplete goods, or you did not receive the goods at all. You just come here to apply for the refund after sale, and it's under the comment section. Okay, comment section. So if you don't know how to use the Hi Dictionary, you can check my previous video. I'm going to leave a link to that video after this post where you could get access to it and watch, so you learn how to navigate using the Hi Dictionary. So I'll click on comment. So I want to apply. I'm using a customer's goods here. She received the item and it wasn't complete, so I would request for refund after sales for her. Let me search for that particular product. So remember, in this case, you're going to upload a picture of that product that is missing. Just go to the site, screenshot the picture of that particular order, because you'll be needing it here. I've done that already. You'll be needing to upload it here while applying for refund. So please be patient while I scroll down to that particular order, please. All right, we're almost there. Okay, guys, this should be the bag. Okay, this is it. So here we'll apply for after sale. You click on apply for after sale. That's what you click on. Applied for after sale. Back. Okay, so let's click on it. So now the customer received the black, she didn't receive the pink. So what we are going to apply for is for only the pink here in this case. Then we click on confirm after sales goes. Confirm after sales goes. We'll try to translate this page again. We come here to choose, we click on this section here to fill in some space that will be provided for us there. Okay, so let me do that. So they're asking us, we did not receive the goods, we have received the goods. So we did not receive the goods in this case. We click on show. The next section, which is after sales reason. What is our reason? Okay, reject visa, not refund. Express stroke logistic has not been delivered. Express, pick that one. Express / logistic has not been delivered. We'll come to the next section, which is after sales requirements. Here we ask for refund. Click on show. So now the refund amount. So you have to be very careful while filling this refund amount. As you can see, there's already an amount on it. There's already an amount written there. So we just have to repeat the amount that is written there. Don't add it. You should not exceed it. If you exceed, the supplier is not going to refund you. So the first section here, we have 31.82. We just write it 31.82, right? Then the next one we have we have 8U1. Okay, 8U1. So now we are going to write our reason. Just leave a message for the supplier. So please kindly refund me. Okay, you can leave a short message or you can type your message for them, but I just always like to keep it short. So like I said, we're going to upload pictures. I've already screenshotted the pictures of that red bag that was not included in the order. So I'm just going to click here. I'm clicking here to upload it. Okay, I'll be taken to this page. Okay, browse. This is it. Select. So I'll wait for it to be uploaded. Okay, so it's uploaded. Just make sure you filled all the information. So if you have done that already, if you've done that, you click on submit after sales applications. Okay, let's wait for it to load and confirm our request. So at this point we have applied for a refund after sales. Okay, so after you must have done this, go straight to the supplier's inbox and leave a message for them there. Tell them you did not receive this particular item and you are applying for refund after sales. Okay, and they will attend to you as soon as possible. Okay, if you really got information from this video and you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe to this channel so you could get similar content like this, and also like and turn up your notification icon so you can also see future videos like this one. Okay, so at this point we are going to see you all in our next video. Okay, thank you.